Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and welcome to the Income Accelerator or the Commission Accelerator sales funnel. It's just a case study that I'm doing, and as I've explained in the first video, it's really we're joining together some programs, sending traffic to the programs, and seeing if it actually works. So this commission accelerator was based on an email that was sent to me by another internet marketer, and it gave me the idea to try this to see if it actually works. The thing about it is you do have to pay for it first, and this a lot of people don't like having to pay things up front, especially when it comes to online things. But I think, and that's part of the reason why I decided to do this training course, was to show you first me doing it. I don't have any special skills or anything. I'm doing exactly the same thing you are. I'm just sitting in front of a computer, and I'm not doing anything magic or anything like that. So the best thing to do is just watch the case study, watch me doing this, and see how long it takes me to generate money from this, and then just decide yourself if you want to do it or not. Because a lot of people are worried when they sign up for different things that they have to pay for it as a subscription. Especially Leadsleap is $27 a month, and you want to get that return on that investment. As soon as possible, which is understandable, but I think it's also the wrong way to look at it, because it makes you desperate to try and get a return on investment, and it's not something you can force. It's something that you have to do and send traffic to it and let it work organically and naturally, and that takes time, and a lot of people are frustrated with that, and that's why they one of the reasons why people fail at making money online. And this is the reason why I decided to do this case study, to see if it actually works, but also to show people the length of time that it takes. I don't know how long it's going to take. I've budgeted some money for it, and we'll see how we get on with it. The first thing we need to do is sign up for Leadsleap. Before we get into the course, the last point I want to make on that really is you need to budget for it. And I would really budget about $500 just to be sure. And $500 is a lot of money. I don't know exactly how much the sales funnel is costing me, but I think it's over $100. It's about $150 a month. So if you have a think about that, how many months can you carry something like that before you run out of money? That's why you need to have a budget of, say, $500. Then if you've got $500, speaking hypothetically, that would give you, is it 4 months? 2, 3, 4, 3 months to 3 months to try and make this work. Ideally, you would need about 6 months, but again, it depends on the traffic, and it depends on a lot of things really, and that's the reason why I decided to do this. So let's try this and see what happens. But as I said, the last point I want to make was, if you are going to commit to this, you do need to have a budget and stick to the budget, and don't. I would put the money aside into a different account even, and but it's difficult nowadays because everything's so expensive. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. I've budgeted the money, I've put it aside, and we're going to go with this and see what happens. The first thing we're going to do is sign up for Leadsleap. So there is a link that will take you to this page. Leadsleap is going to allow us to host the pages, and it's going to allow us to set up an autoresponder as well, and we can also get traffic to the sales funnel, all that for $27 as well. You can make money with Leadsleap, and it says here make money. There's 5 ways to do it. There's a co-op thing where you can make money using it. I wouldn't bother with that. What's going to happen is when people join under you, when they see this course and you promote this course, people will join under you, and you will get residual commissions, and that's monthly residual commissions. So if you imagine having the amount of subscribers that will give you, say, the $500 a month residual commissions, that's the sales funnel paid for, and any other commissions from any other programs are actually profit. Of course, this is all hypothetical, and this is just for educational purposes only. I just wanted to try this to see what happens. And again, what I said to you before, I would actually just watch the training course first if you are interested, and see what you think, and see if it makes sense to you, because that's really important. And that's really all for today's video, just to log into Leadsleap and sign up for it. Click on this button here to sign up for your free membership. When you do that, make the affiliate may show up when you sign up for this, and it should be Simon Foxhouse, which is my affiliate link. That's the first step in this training course. What's going to happen is we're going to join the programs, and then we will send traffic to the sales funnel, which is going to incorporate all the programs, and we're going to send traffic to it. So, and it's perpetual traffic. It's self-perpetual traffic, which means all the traffic is coming from the 5 sources, and you will be getting commissions from that area as well, but we'll go into that in another video. I'm going to show you everything in this training course. I'm going to show you the amount of money that I'm spending, and I'm going to show you the sales that I've generated as well. So the first thing to do is join Leadsleap, and I will join you. It's just a quick video today. I will join you in the next video, where we will join Prosperity Marketing System. And what to do is get yourself a notepad and put your affiliate links for the different programs in a notepad. So let me show you where to get your Leadsleap affiliate link. It's important to keep things in a notepad, just to keep things organised. Let me just cut and paste this into a box. Now, when you sign up for Leadsleap for the first time, you may be a bit overwhelmed with all these things, all these links and things, but you just concentrate on one thing at a time, and eventually you will get used to it. Go to Affiliate tab here, click on Affiliate Links and Tools, and this is the homepage link here. Just copy and paste this. Just copy that and paste it into a notepad. There's other links here as well, but I always use the homepage one, and just log out of this. And then let's try this link again, because it's got my affiliate link on it. When you click here to get your free membership, you see here it's referred by Simon Foxhouse. So if it doesn't say that, then refresh your page and try it again, because I need to be under your affiliate link for this to work. When you join Leadsleap, I will be giving you email swipes, and I will be giving you the actual sales funnel to promote this, so everything is included in that price. So that's really all for today's video. Join me in tomorrow's video, where we sign up for the Prosperity Marketing System, and we put our links in a notepad for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.